Welcome to 181 Monarch Drive in Denison, Texas, situated on Lake Texoma. Won't you come and join me to an exclusive tour of this beautiful home? One of the favorite things that I love about this place is its amazing kitchen. This massive island has plenty of room for the biggest charcuterie board you can make. I can imagine you having lots of fun with your friends and family while cooking, entertaining, and having plenty of room for everybody to sit around and enjoy also amazing views of Lake Texoma. Also on this main level, you'll enjoy a beautiful outdoor patio that has a beautiful grill. There are 2 full bedrooms back here, a full-size laundry room, full-size bathroom, and again, beautiful views of Lake Texoma. Enjoy that when you wake up. I'll meet you upstairs where we'll see the primary bedroom and more living areas. You made it. You might have been even a little faster than me. This amazing elevator will take you from the first floor, which has a full bedroom and full bath, a storm shelter, and a huge garage. But now we're on the 3rd floor. We've got a half bath right off the elevator. We've got another full bedroom with amazing views of the Denison Dam. Then we've got room for more entertaining up here. This bar is ready for any of your entertaining pleasures. And then we've got a pool table that comes with the property. All the furniture come with this house. It's turnkey. So all you have to do is bring your swimming suit and be ready for summers on Lake Texoma. Let's check out the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom has amazing views of Lake Texoma, also has its own fireplace. So you've got plenty of places for amazing ambiance and amazing views of our lake. Oh, you just caught me relaxing in this amazing tub. We've got jets, we've got a beautiful shower also for 2. And we've got a huge walk-in closet in this bedroom. So come take a look, it's pretty amazing. Now let's go to the 4th floor and check out the crow's nest. It has over 360 amazing views of Lake Texoma. Can you imagine the 4th of July up here? I can. This is the 1st floor, which has its own bedroom, full bathroom, so you can have all the privacy you need. This room also has its own storm shelter. So if you've got a storm coming, this is where you go. This is also the beginning of the elevator that takes you all the way to the very top. And then we have a huge oversized garage right through these doors. Well, I hope I showed you enough today to get you to come and take a tour with me at this beautiful property at 181 Monarch Ridge, Denison, Texas.